First up, let's make your movie. To screen record on the MacBook, press Command-Shift-5. To screen record on the iPad, swipe from the top right and press the record button. Press record right here. Once you press record, you can open apps that you want your students to see you using. For instance, if you go into Notes and solve a math equation, students can follow what you wrote. So now that we've recorded our videos, we are ready to upload to YouTube. Open the Chrome browser, look for the dots in the top right corner. You should be logged into your Sewantica Schools account. When you click YouTube, it will take you to this screen. Look for the camera with the plus button on it. Press this button and then press Upload Video. In this next screen, press Select File and look for the screen recording you did. If you did your screen recording on your iPad, simply airdrop it to the Mac so that you can upload from here. In this screen, you're going to give your video a title and give it some descriptions. You're also going to be able to pick your thumbnail and choose whether you want it to be in a subset of videos. While it's processing, I'm gonna look at my thumbnails. I'm gonna see if I wanna put it on a playlist. This one's the best. This is my link, and I can make a new playlist. Say if I'm a chemistry and a biology teacher, I might wanna make a chemistry playlist. I'm ready to click next. Now I'm going to select public, unlisted, or private. Unlisted allows only your students to see it if they have the link. Public is public to the internet. You're ready to copy your link and share it to your students. Encouragement says, you've got this.